The natural world is full of diversity, but perhaps the most fascinating variety lies within ourselves. Hidden in our DNA are rare genetic traits, subtle shifts that reveal the complexity of human evolution. Today, we'll explore 10 of the rarest human genetics, from traits that alter appearance to those that challenge our understanding of the body. Each one is a testament to the unpredictable path of evolution and the unique stories encoded in our DNA. Join us as we celebrate the extraordinary diversity within our own species. Our first stop is hypertrichosis, or werewolf syndrome, a condition marked by excessive hair growth across the body. Only about 50 to 100 cases have been documented since the Middle Ages, making it incredibly rare. This anomaly is a genetic throwback, reactivating ancient genes that once gave our ancestors a full coat of fur. Historically, those with hypertrichosis were misunderstood and often displayed as curiosities, but their stories remind us to look beyond appearances. Today, we see this condition as a window into our evolutionary past and a clue to the genetic pathways controlling hair growth. Studying hypertrichosis helps scientists understand how small genetic changes can reveal ancient traits. It's a living link to our distant origins, showing how evolution's blueprint still shapes us. Hypertrichosis is not a curse, but a rare glimpse into the history written in our genes. Heterochromia. Iridum is the striking condition, a captivating anomaly that manifests in the eyes. It's a condition where a person has two different colored eyes, a phenomenon that has fascinated observers for centuries, affecting less than 1% of the population, making it a relatively rare trait to encounter in the general populace. It's caused by variations in melanin distribution, the pigment responsible for the color of our skin, hair, and eyes. Sometimes inherited, passed down through family genes, and sometimes acquired due to injury or certain medical conditions. Complete heterochromia means each iris is a different color. One might be blue, while the other is brown or green. Sectoral means a patch of color within one iris, creating a captivating mosaic effect within a single eye. Most cases are harmless and do not affect vision or overall health. It's simply a unique result of the genetic lottery, a beautiful accident of nature that sets individuals apart. Celebrities like Kate Bosworth, known for her striking blue and hazel eyes, and Mila Kunis have brought this rare trait into the spotlight, showcasing its beauty and intrigue to a wider audience, turning what was once considered a medical curiosity into a celebrated feature, embraced for its distinctive charm. Heterochromia is a reminder of the artistry in our biology, a testament to the intricate and unpredictable nature of genetics. Proof that even small genetic changes at the microscopic level can create striking individuality, making each person a unique masterpiece. It shows there's no single way to be human. Our differences are what make us special and interesting. Every variation adds to our collective beauty, enriching the tapestry of human existence. The eyes, in all their diversity, from the deepest blues to the warmest browns, reflect the endless possibilities of our DNA, a code that holds the secrets to our unique identities. Even the smallest genetic quirks like heterochromia can become iconic, leaving a lasting impression on the world. Uncombable hair syndrome, or spun glass hair, is a rare condition where hair grows dry, frizzy, and stands out in all directions. The cause? Mutations in genes that shape the hair shaft, making it triangular or heart-shaped instead of round. Only about 100 cases are reported, but many go undiagnosed. The syndrome usually appears in early childhood and often improves by adolescence. It's harmless, but visually dramatic. Children with this hair are often compared to Albert Einstein. Uncombable hair syndrome is a vivid example of how a tiny genetic change can create a visible, unique trait. It's a crown of shimmering diversity, worn with pride. Imagine a life without pain. This is the reality for those with congenital insensitivity to pain, or CIP. Caused by mutations in the SCN9A gene, CIP prevents pain signals from reaching the brain. While it might sound like a superpower, it's actually dangerous. Injuries go unnoticed, leading to severe harm. Children with CIP need constant monitoring, as they can't rely on pain to warn them of danger. Studying CIP has helped scientists understand pain pathways and could lead to new pain treatments. This condition is a stark reminder that pain, though unpleasant, is essential for survival. CIP reveals the delicate balance of our sensory systems. Sometimes, what seems like a gift is actually a hidden risk. Chimerism is a rare and fascinating phenomenon, a biological marvel that challenges our understanding of genetics and identity. It's a condition that often goes unnoticed, yet its implications are profound. Where one person carries not just one, but two distinct sets of DNA within their body. This means that, genetically speaking, they are composed of two different individuals. It's as if, essentially, their own fraternal twin was absorbed very early in the womb during development. This absorption leads to a single individual developing with two separate genetic blueprints. It happens when two embryos fuse together very early in development, sometimes just days after conception, creating a single, unique individual with a mixed and complex genetic makeup. This individual carries genetic material from two distinct zygotes. The vast majority of chimeras live their lives never knowing they possess this dual genetic heritage, unless some form of medical testing unexpectedly reveals the secret of their dual genetic identity. This revelation might occur due to something as simple as mismatched blood types during a routine check, or more dramatically, through unexpected DNA discrepancies discovered during forensic analysis or paternity testing. The well-known case of Lydia Fairchild serves as a stark reminder of this, as she nearly lost custody of her own children due to the confusion caused by unexpected DNA results, and this case dramatically brought the phenomenon of chimerism to widespread public attention. Chimerism profoundly challenges our fundamental ideas about personal identity and individuality, powerfully showing us that genetic boundaries are not always fixed and can in fact be surprisingly fluid and dynamic. It's a living paradox, a testament to the complexities of human biology. It represents the existence of two distinct genetic identities coexisting within a single human body. This fascinating condition highlights the incredible complexity and remarkable adaptability inherent in human development. Ultimately, chimerism serves as a powerful reminder that our genetic story is often far more intricate, nuanced, and surprising than we might initially realize. Sometimes the hidden twin residing within us subtly shapes and influences our very existence in ways we may never fully comprehend. In the end, the boundaries of self are not always as clearly defined or as straightforward as we might initially think them to be. Most of us see the world in three primary colors, but some women with tetrachromacy have a fourth type of cone cell, allowing them to perceive millions more shades. This rare trait results from a mutation on the X chromosome, giving the retina four distinct cone types. While many may carry the gene, true tetrachromats are rare. Only a few can actually process the extra color information. For them, everyday scenes burst with colors invisible to the rest of us. Identifying tetrachromats is difficult. Their world is richer, but only they can see it. Tetrachromacy raises profound questions about perception and reality. It reminds us that our senses only reveal part of the world. The world is full of hidden layers, waiting for the right eyes to see them. Our biology shapes the reality we experience. Rarest, often referred to as golden blood, is not just rare. It's the rarest blood type known to exist on Earth. Its unique properties make it invaluable in certain medical situations. With fewer than 50 people worldwide documented to possess this blood type, finding a match can be an extraordinary challenge. The geographical distribution of these individuals is scattered, adding another layer of complexity. Lacking all Rh antigens, which are typically present on red blood cells, this blood becomes a universal donor in a very specific sense. It can be given to almost anyone with rare blood types within the Rh system, offering a crucial lifeline when other options are unavailable. This remarkable characteristic makes it a universal donor for those with unusual Rh-related blood disorders. However, the recipients of Rh-null blood are not universal in return. Rh-null individuals can only receive blood from others who share the same rare blood type, significantly increasing the stakes and making any medical emergency a potentially life-threatening situation. Despite the challenges, this tiny group forms a global network, a testament to human cooperation and the will to survive. They are ready to help each other in times of dire need, showcasing a unique form of medical solidarity. Golden blood is more than just a biological curiosity. It's a biological treasure, vital for saving lives and advancing medical understanding of blood disorders. But it's also a heavy burden for those who carry it, a constant reminder of their unique vulnerability. It highlights the incredible diversity and fragility within our veins, showcasing the complex interplay of genetics and health. These individuals are unsung heroes, quietly contributing to the well-being of others. Their rare blood is a lifeline, a precious resource that can mean the difference between life and death for others in similar circumstances. Rh-null is a powerful example, a stark reminder of the complexities of the human body. It shows how genetic rarity can be both a gift, offering unique medical solutions, and a challenge, creating vulnerabilities. The story of golden blood, a medical marvel, is one of interdependence and survival, highlighting the importance of global cooperation in addressing rare medical conditions. Sometimes the rarest traits, the most unique genetic characteristics, are the most vital, playing a critical role in saving lives and advancing medical science. Distichiasis is a rare condition where a person has a double row of eyelashes, caused by a mutation in the FOXC2 gene. While it can create a striking, glamorous look, famously seen in Elizabeth Taylor, it sometimes causes discomfort if lashes grow inward. The trait is inherited and can run in families, blending beauty with medical challenges. Distichiasis is a reminder that genetic quirks can be both admired and problematic. It shows how a single mutation can define a face and even become legendary. Beauty and pathology can share the same genetic root. Sometimes what makes us unique is both a blessing and a challenge. Hutchinson-Gilford progeria syndrome is a devastating condition where children age rapidly, often living only into their teens. Caused by a mutation in the LMNA gene, progeria leads to features of old age, hair loss, joint stiffness, and heart disease within the first years of life. The syndrome is not inherited, but a tragic genetic accident. Studying progeria has given scientists insight into the aging process for everyone. The children affected inspire with their resilience, reminding us of the value of time. Progeria is a window into both the fragility and strength of life. These children live with courage, teaching us about hope and determination. Their stories drive the search for treatments that could benefit us all. Ulnar demelia, or mirror hand syndrome, is a rare condition where the hand develops with mirrored symmetry, 2 little fingers, no thumb. This results from a disruption in embryonic signaling, leading to duplicated structures and the absence of a thumb. Fewer than 100 cases are known, and the condition presents significant functional challenges. Surgery can reconstruct a thumb, restoring some function and reintroducing the asymmetry essential for daily tasks. Ulnar demelia is a striking example of how small developmental errors can dramatically alter anatomy. It reveals the complex choreography of genes that shape our bodies. Perfect symmetry in biology is not always ideal. Sometimes our differences are what make us adaptable. Our journey through rare genetics reveals the endless creativity of evolution. These conditions are not just curiosities. They're keys to understanding disease, aging, and the very nature of humanity. Each rare trait is a story, a clue to our shared past and future. The beauty of our species lies in our diversity and resilience. If you're fascinated by these wonders, subscribe and join us as we continue exploring the marvels hidden within ourselves.